We recommend you refer to the installation instructions provided with the Duofresh module before starting. Cut the transmission duct flush with the finished wall coverings. Remove the inner cover and transmission block. Flush out any impurities in the water supply. Let it run for 30 seconds before turning off the valve. Reinstall the water to the inlet float valve. Install the beaker over the transmission block locator and ensure it sits flush on the front edge. Turn the water supply back on, check for water level. Adjust if necessary. Measure the cable to ensure the length is 300mm protruding out the front. Feed the cable through the holes provided in the protection plate. Fold the protection plate and install it in the duct, making sure the bottom and top lugs are sitting correctly, and slide it over the button mounting lugs. Install the funnel, making sure it's sitting in the slots on the beaker. Install the transmission block and check that everything is aligned. Close the protection plate and ensure the bottom lugs are sitting correctly, and slide the lock to the right to close it in place. Push the cables in the corresponding plugs on the mounting plate and clip them in the provided saddles. Feed the excess cable back into the system. Push the button fixing clips in and quarter turn. Trim if necessary. Push down the blue locking pin and repeat on the other side. Once installed, check for level. Install the push rods. Push all the way in and quarter turn. Trim if necessary. To install the flush button, place it at the bottom of the spring clips and lift up until the top clips into place. Swing the flush button out to the right hand side to access the filter and Duofresh sticks. To install the Duofresh sticks, lift the top tab up and slide the bottom out until it clips into place. Fit the Duofresh stick and push down the top to hold it in place. Now slide the filter in all the way until it clips into place. This will allow the Duofresh sticks to drop into the beaker. Close the push button and check for correct flushing operation.
The Geberit Duofresh is extremely easy to install. It only takes an additional 10 minutes on top of a standard flush button installation without using any tools. For more information on the Geberit Duofresh odour extraction unit, please contact your local Reece bathroom store or head over to geberit.com.au.